that direction towards Fort Worth, Texas, about 180 miles away. We just left Hamilton, Texas, Marble Falls, Johnson City, Land Passes, all that stuff's over there. It's the truck. Definitely needs a wash. Stopped at this spot here on the side of the road. A lot of very important pieces of equipment. I could use that Ram 350 if it works. It could tow my RV like a piece of cake, huh? Has a jack up front holding something up, the bumper. Might need a little bit of work. So my wife's inside getting some ice, one of her bottles of water that she filled up previously, and she's putting some drink mix. What kind of drink mix do you have there?
It's melon.
I hate melon.
I love it.
I hate melon.
It's very good.
It's terrible. So there's a nice little RV right over there. If anybody wants to buy it, make them an offer. It's Italian ZX fifth wheel. Sweet. Got quite a bit of lumber here. There's a dead skunk. He's been out there so long I can't even smell him. Or my smeller isn't very good. So you got wood here, got some odds and ends, some old trucks, stuff like that. Cattle over there, sheep over there, goats over there, people over there, having a great time. And there's Annie getting ready. So we better get going. We're about an hour and a half away from Fort Worth. Not taking I-35 has been a smart thing to do. So, this is secure, huh? This is rather secure. So not taking I-35 this time from New Braunfels, San Marcos, Austin, Georgetown, Waco, eventually to Fort Worth was a good idea. Taking more casual roads like this, I think, is a smarter thing for us to do. Deal less with, the heavy vehicles. Let me turn around the camera. Eventually. See if I can turn around the camera. There we go. It took a while. The wind's blowing. And, yes, I need to go to a hairdresser. I understand. But it's very nice out here. Average speed on this road was 70, 75. I was going 65, up to almost 70 degrees, 70 miles per hour. Not 70 degrees, 70 miles per hour. It's a cool breeze. It's about 75 degrees. Cool breeze. Can't complain about that. A little windy. Hope you can hear me all right. Let me turn around the camera. There's my wife. There she is. She's got some stuff. She's gonna put away the stairs. Good job, sweetie. I'm documenting this so that, just to show that you're actually a hard worker. It's always good to have a second set of eyeballs, ears, to tell you, check things out. Now she got to lock it. And she has to get her keys. So. And I hope you're doing fantastic. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, leave it below. This is Jesus Manuel Menegarza, returning from New Braunfels, camping for quite a few days down there, enjoying the Guadalupe River. A very nice river. And here's my wife with the keys. Fantastic, sweetie. Check the door, please, just to make sure it doesn't open while we're driving. Oh, very good, very good. Oh, yes, my wife has a dance and theater background. Oops, watch out. You almost got caught in that net there. Okay, we're going to get inside. See you down the road.